How to change a Bobcat Lawnmower Deck Belt. Learning how to drive a Bobcat Zero Turn lawn tractor will likely take longer than actually completing maintenance on the mower belt. Due to the design of the mower deck, the PTO belt, otherwise known as the mower deck drive belt, rests out in the open for easy access. In fact, you need few tools to complete a belt replacement. Yearly inspection of the PTO belt will show you if the belt starts cracking or dry rotting. When this happens, it is time to replace it. Things you'll need: 3/8-inch ratchet. Locate the idler arm on the top of the mower deck. The idler arm is a metal plate with a pulley mounted to it. On the arm, you will locate a square hole. Place a 3/8-inch ratchet into the square hole and rotate the idler arm away from the drive belt. Remove the PTO belt from the pulley system on the mower deck. If you need to, make a diagram of how the belt rides around the pulley system. Installing the belt incorrectly could cause the blades to spin backwards, which would reduce its ability to cut properly. Route the new belt onto the PTO pulley by following your guide. Rotate the idler belt away from the belt and then slip the belt over the pulley. Let go of the idler pulley and remove the 3/8-inch ratchet from the pulley bracket.